It's time to play allocated versus findable. Oh, I actually still got the little fishnets on here. Oh, sorry you had to see that, folks. Okay, anyways, Blantons. So a lot of people hunt it, right? It's very collectible, but since it's allocated and hard to get, and the price keeps going up, can it beat findable bottles, right? Kentucky Spirit, single barrel. This is also from Buffalo Trace, Benchmark single barrel, and Michter small batch. So ones you can find versus a big heavy hitter allocated. So I popped fresh bottles, these over here a little bit, mixed them all up. We're going to check them out, and I'll do them like kind of like 1 to 4 and see kind of like who wins this one. Let's get to it. Who do you think is going to win? Think Blanton's is going to beat the others? Let's find out. Everyone's palate's different. I get that, but people spend a lot of money for bottles that I could walk in the store right now and pick up a bottle of maybe better. Just trying to show that to you, and let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. Let's check them out. I'm just going to go through and taste them. Okay, sweet, vanilla, caramel, good. All right, let's check this one out. Okay, that one's got kind of a little bit more of a floral note. Let's check this one out. Okay, let's get like some, almost some toffee to it. A little bit of oak. Okay, this one looks a little darker. Let's check him out. That was pretty good too. I mean, these all, first initial tastes, all come in pretty good. There's nothing like saying like, oh my God, these are horrible. But it does show you like a bottle that now MSRP is about 90 bucks here, where this one is, you can find this one, it's about, let's say 70 bucks-ish, around that. I know some places have it a little more, a little less. Benchmark single barrel, this is like $25 bottle. Michter's, it's around 50 or under. But let me tell you, when I was looking for, originally when I first started getting into bourbon, you know, trying to find blends, at this point I couldn't get it. You know, you wait in line, still wouldn't be able to get it. I tried this, like Michter's small batch, and I was like, really enjoyed it, and it's something I could go get and go find. So it just shows you that there are good bottles out there. But let's see if Blanton's holds up and beats these guys. Let's check it out. Let's get through one more time, and I'll rank them. That one's okay. Let's try this one. It's my least favorite, actually. Let's try this one. It's not bad. It's not amazing. Let's try this one. Okay, I'd say these are probably 3 and 4 right here. I'd say it's between these two right here for which are the best. Both have really good noses. Okay, let's get one more taste, and let's, well, you'll see here on the bottom, I've got it marked who's the winner. So, okay, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm actually going number 1 with this, number 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so number 4, Benchmark. So number 4 is Benchmark Single Barrel, $25. It's kind of like a baby Buffalo Trace. I believe it's 95 proof. Okay. Number 3, Wild Turkey Kentucky Spirit. Interesting. Okay. Well, one of these is the top, so Blantons seem to beat 2 of them already. Okay. So number 3, or no, actually number 2, there's your Blantons. And your winner's Michter small batch. So that adds up, to me at least, on my palate, right? When I was out there trying to find this and really hunting it, you know, trying to get the little horses, right? Trying to get the cool bottle. Couldn't find it, right? With Michter small batch, it's $45, like half the price. Findable, delicious. Let me know your thoughts. Which of these bottles would you pick? Are you a fan of this or these others? Let me know. I'll see you next time on Floor Whiskey.